Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Merveille, not Mabel, not Mabel, not Melvin, not Malvin, and certainly not Captain Malvin. It's Merveille. Anyways guys, today I decided to do something drastic to my hair. This was a hard decision for me to make, but I really had to do this. When it comes to hair, I feel as if I'm at a point whereby my lifestyle right now dictates the type of hair I'm gonna have or what I'm gonna do to my hair. And right now things are very drastic. Things are just like hardcore. I don't even have time to pamper myself. As you can tell, I look bare and, you know, very bare. I need to find something. I need to do something to my hair that is not going to require a lot of time and a lot of attention to take care of it. So without further ado, you already saw by the title, I'm gonna relax my hair. I decided to use the olive oil relaxer, ORS. I've never used this before, or maybe I have, I don't remember my relaxed hair days. I'm gonna do this alone. Again, I'm in China. I don't know anyone who's gonna do my hair, and besides, right now everyone is on lockdown. Whoa. So right now everyone is on lockdown and I just have to do my own hair. I am going to relax my hair, and I'm gonna have relaxed hair for as long as I'm gonna have it for. And already it's been 4 months post relax, no, not 4 months, 5 months post relax, and I have so much growth, guys. I have a lot of growth. So this morning I based my scalp with coconut oil. I think I'm gonna put it all around my nape area as well as my hairline, and we are just gonna start. Like I said, I'm not good with this. It's my first time, but hopefully things will go well. Wish me luck. Only received one glove. Like, how is that even possible? What do I do with one glove? Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. I need to use this mirror. Right there. Guys, we have a little situation here. You're not gonna believe this, but I do believe it because I know how thick my hair is. This is what happened. This is what happened. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this jar is literally empty. Oh no! There's nothing here, and this is how far I've come with the relaxer. The relaxer is not even everywhere, but anyways, I'm glad that I managed to get the most important part, and I'm just gonna work with it. Let's just massage this. Let's massage this. how my hair looks like. I had it dried out. Oh yeah, I dried it just a little bit, and to be honest, I can literally count the strands on my head. I never intended it to be this bone straight, but then the way I know my hair texture, it's not gonna be bone straight, trust me. So I'm just gonna blow dry this hair, put some heat protectant, blow dry the hair, and then straighten it, and we'll see how it looks like. My hair was falling, you guys. My hair was like falling. I'm gonna insert a clip somewhere. A huge bunch of hair was like, my hair was like, whenever I would like wash it, or like after every wash or after every like conditioning, my hair would, a huge thick strand would literally come out a lot. It really felt like, I feel like it felt like a lot of hair just shaded, and now my hair is just like lightweight and thin. There's no volume. It kind of makes me sad. I don't know where we're going with this hair texture, or with this type of hair, or just with this hair journey, but all I want is natural, relax, whatever. All I want is just healthy hair, and that's what I'm aiming to achieve. A few months back, if you don't know, my hair was like damaged. I went to a Chinese hairdresser and they messed my hair up literally, and right now I'm just trying to like see if I can go back to just having healthy hair and taking care of my hair without doing too much, because honestly I don't have time to do too much. Let's just blow dry this and then see how it I just finished blow drying it, so I think I'm gonna now straighten it. I really don't want to straighten it because I feel like it's already flat, and I don't know you guys, just what do you think? This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna straighten it and then wrap it up, and then we'll see how it will look like tomorrow morning. So here's my straightener, and it's just a normal, I don't know, but this straightener does the good thing. Okay, it does the trick. We're gonna set it at 200. The highest is 220. I don't wanna be alone. All the promises made were broken by you. In love, in love, in love, in love. I don't wanna be alone. do you call this? I removed my wrap that I sleep around with. So we're just gonna comb our hair and see. Okay, I represent this direction and then see how the relaxer went. So let's just do that. Just do a protective style is like in 2 weeks time or 3 weeks time. But besides this is it. I am a bit proud of myself for like relaxing my own hair and achieving it, like, you know, this flatness, this level of flatness and this bounciness. I do not really like a freshly relaxed look because it just makes your hair look really flat and, you know, no volumeless. But I'm pretty sure that as time goes by it will look way better. And yeah, so this is it. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like this video, and also did I do a good job? Let me know in the comment section. So yes, so I have made the decision to be relaxed now until further notice, until I feel as if my lifestyle is, well, I can't really say that because I already know that I am going to become a medical doctor. So I already signed up to have a really busy lifestyle. But I think I'm going to be relaxed until I move out of this country, just because honestly I cannot deal. I really cannot deal.